Hey, SocialCoach user, and welcome to Video Catalyst. Let's walk through and let me show you how it works. So, now that you are signed into your app on your phone, the easiest thing to do is you see a blue banner at the bottom. It should say Video Catalyst under My To-Do list. And it should say you have 4, 8, 10, or unlimited video credits this month, depending on whatever level you've purchased. When you click on this blue banner, it will take you out to your Video Catalyst page. Now, there are a few different ways that you can submit videos to us, whether that be through your camera, through your image from a library, or a video from a library. Now, there are a few different ways to submit a video to us. The first step is clicking on the blue banner at the top saying Submit a New Video. Now, once you're here, you see that you have three options: camera, image from library, or video from library. The camera means that you are just going to take that directly from your camera inside the app, and you are going to take this video now. An image from the library would just be a picture from your library on your phone. Or if you've previously recorded a video and you want us to edit it that way, we can do that as well. But for today's example, let's just look at the camera. And there you have access straight from your camera to use Video Catalyst and record any video that you want to. Now, I will tell you, a lot of people have ring lights or special microphones. You don't have to. The best thing I can tell you is to find a good window and some good lighting and make sure that you are looking straight at the camera and you are speaking clearly. Now, if you mess up, that's okay. I get it. Happens to me all the time. My editing team will take care of that for the both of us. So if you have any mix-ups, like that right there, see? So if you have any mix-ups, that's okay. Just take a beat and start over. Our editing team will slice that together and make sure that you look professional and put together and make sure that you're speaking as eloquently as possible. All right, now, once we press that red button at the bottom, it's going to take us over to the Video Catalyst page. Now, this is only for one specific video. That's very important. So if you have 4 credits, you're not going to upload all 4 videos onto this one thing. You're going to go back and do that again. The best thing to do is to record it at separate times so that you're wearing different things and, you're not having the same articles of clothing in all of your videos for 1 month. But you can always do that and just change different clothes. That's totally fine. All right, now if you wanted to redo anything, you can always press this add another image or a video and you can re-record, you can do a different take, you can add in any kind of graphic that you are referring to in your video, so that is an option. Now, right here with your include and my short link and caption, that is just the shorter version of your application link. You can always include your hashtags, and most importantly, you can tell us to write a caption for you. If you don't want us to write a caption for you, that's totally fine. Just toggle that button off and you are able to write your caption right through here. Now on to posting schedule. You can select to have this video automatically post at a specific time. Just make sure that you are giving us at least 48 hours to get that turned around for you. Most of the time it will be quicker, but I can't always promise that. So if you want it to automatically post, just go ahead and click on automatically post and set that for whatever time you would like. If you just want the app to remind you to post it later, that's also fine. You just click on that and you can submit for editing. Now that video is going to automatically upload to our editors and they are going to review that video and edit it in whatever way they think is best and anything that you've given us in the past. And then you will be able to see a notification in your email that your video is ready to post. Once your video is uploaded to our editing team, you will be able to see all of your videos that are in progress. So you can see editing in progress right here. Now, once it's done, like I said, you will receive an email saying that your video is ready to post. Or you can always check back to the app and see if it's ready to post. When you click on the Ready to Post video, you can review that video right here, and once you're good with it and you've reviewed it, you can press Next. Here is where you will see your caption if you have written one or if we've written one for you, and you can also select the options for whatever social media platform you want this video to go to. Now, once again, you do have the option to post now or schedule it out and post later. Whatever you do, just make sure you post it and keep those videos coming. And that is how Video Catalyst with Social Coach works. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support@socialcoach.io. Can't wait to see your videos and talk to you soon.